Hi guys, I'm Alex and today we will be drawing dragons using different shapes and different sizes of shapes. We'll need a piece of paper, some markers depending on what colors you want to make it, a pencil, and you'll likely want an eraser if you don't have one at the back of your pencil. We're going to draw a big long triangle that takes up a lot of our paper. We're going to work on drawing lightly. Then we're going to draw a circle inside of it that touches the two sides of the triangle and is in the center. We're going to connect lines to the bottom of the page, straight lines for the legs, and two smaller ones in the center to complete the legs. Now we're going to draw a small circle at the very top of the triangle on the left side. To make the back legs, we're going to draw little curves like this on both sides, and then little lumps or hole-shaped lumps for the feet. To make the snout of our dragon, we're going to draw a rectangle, and we're going to make a curve for the neck which connects these 2 points. We're going to draw a triangle at the end of our snout to make it more snout-like. Now for the tail, we're going to draw a triangle coming out of these 2 points. It'll be a long curved triangle. And little triangles at the edge of our feet will create toes. Now for the wings, we're going to draw diagonals coming out of around the center of the body like this, and diagonals in the opposite direction that are about the same length. Underneath we'll have little tiny diagonals such as this, and once again in the opposite direction. To complete our wings, we're going to use upside down half circles. Now we're going to draw a line connecting these 2 points to finish our head shape. The horns on the head will be made using triangles, one in front of the other like this. And now we're going to use triangles again to draw the spikes on the back of our dragon. I drew spikes that were on its neck and on its tail. Now we're going to curve this line to make its belly a little more, the side of its belly a little more round. And little curves on the knees will make them a little nicer. Now we're going to draw the scales of its belly using curves like this. The bottom curve will be upside down. And we're going to draw the belly with a little line. Now we're going to go through and erase all the extra lines as I am doing. And we'll pretty much have our completed dragon. Give our dragon whatever kind of eye we want, such as the one I drew, or it can be a little circular eye or a big circular eye as well. You can also give your dragon a mouth. You can give it any kinds of stripes or decorations you want. If we use different shapes, we can also create different types of dragons. In this one, I used a shorter triangle, and I created a different dragon. This one I used a much wider triangle. Once again, it has an interesting result. You can experiment with whatever kind of shapes you want to create whatever kind of dragon you want. With a big head, it'll be a different dragon as well. Another thing you can change is the side of the head. The head can be on the other side of the body, the same side as the tail. You can put the head anywhere you want, really. By using the same shapes but changing up the sizes and the location of the shapes, we can create dragons that look very different but are all sitting down, same position. I decided to trace my dragon and add some color. From here you can do whatever you want with your dragon. You can give it a background, you can make it sitting on a rock, for example. You can cut out your dragon. Really, the possibilities are endless. You can make as many dragons as you want. I made 5 dragons. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.